All right, let's unpack a financial mystery. How can the same exact data, two wildly different stories?
You've got two models looking at the same information, but giving completely opposite advice.
So, how is that even possible? Well, it's not a bug. The answer is actually philosophy.
See, the problem isn't the data. It's all about the lens you're using to look at it.
One's reactive, kind of like looking in the rearview mirror. The other is proactive, looking out the windshield.
And this proactive approach, it's powerful stuff that goes way beyond just your typical trading charts.
Let's see how this all plays out with a major announcement from the U.S. Federal Reserve. So the Fed's official story was pretty straightforward. Stimulate now, but be cautious later on.
But here's the first crack in that story. The vote wasn't unanimous. It was a divided 9-3.
This sent a super confusing message. It's like hitting the gas and the brake at the same time.
And whenever the official story is messy, the public steps right in to create its own narrative. One story was that politics would just change the rules anyway, so the economic data was kind of pointless. Another story, that the AI bubble had to burst, not as a crisis, but as a needed economic reset.
And that's the key, right? Markets aren't just a battle of numbers, they're a battle of beliefs.
So, how do you handle all this? You need a proactive mindset. And it's built on these three pillars.
Because the real advantage isn't just having more information, it's about having better judgment to interpret it. Which leaves us with this final thought. What matters more? Finding that perfect piece of data or building a better mental filter?